My Italian grandmother used to make a soup called escarole and beans. We used to say escarole, but she would say escarole and beans. And it was basically a peasant heavy bean and sausage soup. And for a while now, I wanted to make it a vegan version of this soup, because it really is so delicious and so hearty. And I can remember as a kid when she used to make it for us, my sister and I loved this soup. We used to call it seaweed soup because we thought it looked like seaweed. But it's a great heavy soup, like for those cold nights, and you serve that with a crusty Italian wheat bread, and it was just delicious. So I'm going to make a vegan version today, and I'm improvising a lot. Escarole, fresh spinach, beans. I'm using butter beans and kidney beans. You can use any types of beans. Mushrooms, onion I'm adding. My grandmother didn't add onion, but I think for this, since we're not using real sausage, we need a little bit of that sweetness. And I'm using vegan sausages. I'm using a spicy one and a sweet one, because she used to add very spicy and sweet sausage. Garlic, oil, and salt and pepper. Here we go. And this is the best vegetable broth in the world. I love this vegetable broth. My daughter found it, because most of the veggie broths that I've bought in the past just have a really weird aftertaste. I just don't like them, but this brand is great. So I am going to prepare this, and we're going to see how it's going to come out.